So I know my fellow ravers are not okay. I'm not okay either, and I feel like this can help you light up your home the way that it's helping me light up my home and my emotion. It literally says that on the box. Hello guys. So my house has been very low vibes lately, so I thought I would do something to kind of, you know, I'm always in the kitchen cooking, cleaning, whatever, so I thought, let me make it lit up in here. This is an adult house, we're cool over here. I probably didn't do this the most proper way, but nevertheless it looks pretty clean, you know, and it's lit. It's lit up in here. If you want to know how to do this, if you want to do this to your own kitchen, keep watching, you know the drill. Right out of the box, you get a charger, you get the light strip, and you get a remote that does have batteries in it already, which I do appreciate. And I'm just making sure everything works, just testing out the colors and the presets that they have. So I'm analyzing my cabinets, and oh my god, these are built so terribly. This is literally 2 single cabinets glued together and put up on my wall. The windows don't even match. Like, okay, you most likely will not have this problem, so you most likely will have to skip this step. This cabinet sucks, and I'm gonna demo this right before I move out. I'm not gonna lie, a genuine concern of mine was if these were gonna fall on top of me, because they are so structurally unsound. They are just built terribly, and I'm only this critical because my baby daddy does commercial millwork for a living. I'm just making a sliver for the lights to slide through. You know, otherwise this wouldn't look as clean as it does. By the way, these kind of suck. They're really flimsy. So I ended up using these wherever they fit, mainly in the corners because they were a little bit bigger. I made sure to stick these up before I untaped everything. Like, I kind of planned everything out and slid it through before I stuck them. And I made sure to stick them as close to the bottom as I could so that it would look like a clean, straight line when they were on. And that is it. I mean, I did end up mushing one of the lights and it cut off the circuit, but like I said, these are so poorly built and I'm gonna demo them soon anyway, so I'm just not gonna fix this. I will hide this wire better though. I'm calling myself out. Anyways, yeah, that is it. Let me know if you want like part 2 where I kind of do the rest of my kitchen. I think I do want to do the rest. Let's ask my roommate what he thinks. Do you like the lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're cool? What's your favorite color? Let me see.
No.
This is the remote for the lights. Ain't it cool?
No.
He likes it. Please subscribe. I kind of just, you can like go look if you like it. If not, see you never.